I think that is going to make me look younger. I think that people will look at me differently. Like I'll be more looking like a human, maybe, because we all remember ourselves with all of these heads full of hair, when we're children, and majority of people, I think, on the planet they do have hair, but then all of a sudden, after you reach a certain age, when it all goes, it kind of become different. It's like becoming a black sheep of some sort.
What we got is skin. So it's basically like, imagine like one of your layers of skin. This is what it's going to feel like on your head. So it's like going to feel like your own hair.
So it's like real.
And it's transparent material. So if you have light on your scalp, it's going to show your actual scalp through it. All right. This is Lordhair. It is the S1V unit. Yeah. And we've got it cut to LD005 for you. Okay, that's a good enough marking place, okay? This is just for a rough estimate of the template, bro. I will line it up and readjust it when we put it on. Size. If you ever wanted to send this off and get a custom, template cut to size, you can do that. And then we're done with the template making, guys. Alright guys, so this is him all set up, yeah? Got a bit of a template going on here, cut his hair. Alright guys, adhesive has gone clear on his head now. Yeah, everything's looking nice and clear, nice and sticky.
Well, with the women, yeah, it has affected me, because I remember when I was 25 and I was full of hair, it was a lot easier. But then they kind of started looking slightly different to me. I don't know, maybe because I was looking a little older, with all these bald patches. But yeah, it's definitely not the same. They're not. I don't feel like I'm actually looking handsome to them anymore.